Man, oh, I'm so excited. I just got my new Vans and SpitFire collaboration Chukka lows. Just ordered them off the eBay about 2 weeks ago and I just got in today. Oh my god. These are awesome! Oh, can't wait to skate these, man. They're already broken in and comes with a nice sticker, I think, and some fresh laces that are like butter. And they're waxed, man. Oh man. Oh, look at it, broken in. I got no grip, so I can just slide off easily. Oh man. Oh, and I'm regular, so like it's gonna people think I'm really good at switch. Wow, man. These are good, man. Came with some good soles and stuff, man. Oh, can't wait to see these. Yeah, look at that. This is great. And man, holes for breathing. Comes with this good stuff, so like it won't rip as easily. Yeah. Alright, well, there's my new shoes, the Chukka lows. Alright guys, catch you next week. I guess I'll show you how to skate in them or whatever, I don't know. Alright guys, I'm gonna put them on and see how they feel. Alright guys, they're very comfortable. Alright guys, peace.